can.
Right. Good afternoon, guys. So in the previous programs, we discussed sorting the string in ascending order and also in descending order, right? Okay. Right. Now we'll see a program to reverse the given string. Means in the previous case already we discussed the reverse a string, but now I want reverse the words in the string, right? Let us try that one now. 27. So write a program to reverse the words in the string, reversing the words in the string, right? For example, let's take the one string. Let's take Narayana, take house. It is the given string. After reversing the words, then what happens? The first word comes in the last, and the last word comes in the first, right? Like I want like this: house, take, then Narayana, like this, right? So reversing the words in the given string, right? So for this one, different approaches are there. Let us see if one approach here. First, we are going to split the given string, so that output comes in the list format. From this list, I'm going to fetch one by one. Right? We take the empty string here, one empty string. I'm going to concatenate each one, right? st equal to st1 plus, if I take the same I, then first empty string plus first time I will Narayana. So Narayana comes. Next time Narayana plus tech is coming on. So Narayana tech. Next time Narayana tech is there, and what is coming? House is coming. Narayana tech plus house. It gives the same string as it is, because every time the new value adding to the right side, right? So first time Narayana, then Narayana tech house coming like that. That's why what we do, that I value we take the left side. Like this. So empty string first of all. So Narayana plus empty string Narayana. So finally st1 is the Narayana. Next I value is the tech. So tech plus Narayana. So tech Narayana will come. Next time my value is house. Already what is there here? Tech Narayana is there. House coming, house plus tech Narayana. So house tech Narayana, like this, right? So let us try now. I'm going to print that st1, print the st1 print here. Right. So the string is reversing, right? The string is reversing, but so the space is not coming, right? So for the space purpose, what we do here, just let me add a space here like this. Then so what's coming here? So take house, take Narayana. The first in the forward way was actually Narayana take house. Of reversing house, take Narayana. This is the one way to reverse the string, reverse the words, right? Suppose, let us see one more, guys. I'm going to show you one more way. So first I'm going same, first split the string wherever space is there. After splitting, okay, then what comes here? List format comes, right? After splitting, list of first, so Narayana will come. Next, take. Next one, house, right? House will come. So these all a reverse first of all. The list format. To reverse, we have the which function? Reverse the right. Reverse the function is there. Reverse the function. Okay, reverse function is there. Means, so what is happening here? The same list. Okay, now reversing, guys. So house is coming. Next one, take. Next one, okay. What is there here? Right, Narayana came. After reversing, this is the after splitting. The splitting, I'm going to reverse this one, right? Now what we do? what we do, we have to split, we have to join all, right? We have to join all. So fetch one by one we can join, right? Or else let me take no space required, right? Space dot join of, join of, let me join here. Then that I'm going to print, that is print here, that is print here. Yes. Now let me run this one. Yes, right? House tech Narayana. So what happened here in single line, it is done, guys, right? If you use the these functions, just single line, it is done. All of you, right? We have seen the two cases here. Run both, and both giving the right same, so reversing the string. Like that, we can reverse the okay, what's in the given string, guys, right? So different ways like this. Yeah, thanks so much, all of you guys. Bye.